Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Robinhood referral tracking and eligibility rules, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. In your profile, look for the Free Stocks section. Tap on the Free Stocks option to view your referral information. On this page, you'll see your unique referral link. Copy this link to share with friends or new users. Next, understand the eligibility rules for referrals. Referrals can only be used if your friend is a new Robinhood user. Ensure your friend hasn't previously signed up for a Robinhood account. Also, verify that your friend completes the sign-up process. They must link a bank account and initiate a deposit. It's essential that your friend meets all the requirements to qualify for the free stock. After your friend makes their first trade, you will receive notification. Check the Free Stocks section again to see your referral rewards. If there are issues with tracking, review the referral link shared. Confirm that the link wasn't altered in any way. If everything looks correct, and there's still a problem, contact Robinhood support. They can provide help with any discrepancies in tracking. Keep track of all your referrals in this section for easy monitoring. By following these steps, you can effectively verify referral tracking and eligibility rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.